My dear children, today is the 30th Sunday in Ordinary Time, Year B, and today we have the Gospel of Mark. The Gospel of Mark telling us about the story of Bartimaeus, the blind beggar. We see that we never know whether the blindness was due to his birth or he acquired it as he grew up. But we know that he was blind. And my children, we know what it means to be a blind person. Totally darkness, there is no light, and it's a very depressing state because you have to totally depend on others. And I'm sure Bartimaeus in his life was a very negative person because there was no help, there was darkness all around, he had to depend on others, plus people looked down upon him. But when we see that he hears about Jesus, he says, "Jesus, Son of David, have mercy on us, on me." And we see when he says this, it is said that many rebuked him, telling him to be silent. But he says once again, "Son of David, have mercy on me." And then Jesus tells the disciples to call him. And then Jesus is asking him, "What do you want me to do for you?" The blind man says, "Rabbi, let me recover my sight." And the answer of the master is, "Go your way, your faith has made you well." My dear friends, I will take the value of determination, or in other words, perseverance, and never to give up. This value is very important in our life if we want to achieve something. And what is determination? It's a quality of being firm, resolute, and strong-willed. It enables a person to face peril, disaster, and adversity with unflinching courage, firmness, strength of mind, and spirit. It disciplines a person to meet calamity with patience and inner strength. It is an ingredient of a noble character that endures the individual will and gives him to smile in the face of adversity, fills a person with confidence, courage to meet the trials of life, and it develops a sense of self-confidence, maturity, and fulfillment. So this is what a determination does to a person. And we have seen people who have acquired heights of success in their life are the people who are of very strong will. And today I would also add will plus faith in God. This is what we see in the life of Bartimaeus, the blind beggar. So how to acquire this? First, always develop a positive outlook towards life. We see Bartimaeus, though maybe in the initial stages he had a very negative outlook because everything was dark for him, but we see he develops a very positive outlook. Maybe he must have heard about Jesus, the healings of Jesus. Even when people shout at him to keep quiet, he says no. 2 times he calls out Jesus. Second, accept all the obstacles that come in our life with calmness and with courage. Second, we know that there will be many consequences. I need to face the consequences of unjust punishment. And fourth, we have to give up sometimes our own interest for the sake of others. So this is what the gospel tells us in life, to be always determined, to always focused, and never to give up.